वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Hemangi Bhagat Nene, vivacious voice of region. Art in India used to be a family trend as well as occupation. During past centuries, losing its impersonal characteristics, the practice yielded certain stage to the individual's talent. In a family devoted to music, it was grandfather's sharp ears which spotted the talent in crooning child. Mr. Jagannath Mahadev Bhagat cultivated his granddaughter's talent and soon under tutelage of Dr. Shashikant Tambe and later Mrs. Shubha Marathe.
सुना तुम कृपालु हो, सुना तुम कृपालु।
पिया से कहियो जाए, सनद पिया से
Her education began its course, while her gurus, her mother Alka Purushottam Bhagat, grandfather Jagannath Mahadev Bhagat, Dr. Shashikant Tambe and Mrs. Shubha Marathe developed her voice. Regular inputs from music institution blasted her intellectuality. A university topper in BA, MA, MPhil from Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya, Indore, Hemangi is another feather in cap of institutional music. She is also with Uttararth from Indira Kala Sangeet Vidyalaya, Khairagarh. Her father, Mr. Purushottam Jagannath Bhagat, considered himself for a fortunate person whose senior and younger generation are united in carrying out his dreams. Later, she got married in the year 2012 in Hyderabad. A strong, unfaltering voice with deep understanding of raga make her presentation all-during. Critics have at times found her essential inspiring. Confesses Hemangi that her immersion in the act of singing is the result of her continuous quest, the desire to identify and unify with the source of music. It is the reason that make her pursue music. Indian classical music is essential and not a seasonal passing fad. Her dedication to music turns her into an eager scholar rather than global trotting performer. Yet her excellence is certain to be recognized whenever she made public. Sur Shri Award from Sur Sangam, first prize in Indian classical vocal organized by Swar Ganga Samsthan, Indore. Runner-up in National Classical Vocal Competition held at Gwalior in association with Brihan Maharashtra Mandal, New Delhi. First prize in National Inter-University Youth Festival held at Kurukshetra. Winner in Lata Alankar competition. Her innate talent has brought repute and reward to Hemangi. She has been generated scholarship to pursue her study of music. Khair Smriti Fellowship in association with Sanand Nyas, Indore. Government Fellowship from Ministry of Culture and Human Resources. Umdekar Smriti Fellowship from Tansin Sangeet Academy, Gwalior. Hemangi has participated in many prestigious music festivals in different cities of India and includes memorable performances. Her major solo concerts: Swar Sadhana Samiti, Pandharpur, Shri Rang Kala Academy, Talegaon, Pune, Bharat Parva Sanskriti Sanchalanalaya, Bhopal, Yuva Sangeet Samaroh, Bhopal, organized by South Central Cultural Center, Nagpur. Kalsekar Smriti Sangeet Samaroh, Nagpur. Kalidas Samaroh, Ujjain. Shani Jayanti Samaroh, Indore. Dada Matunga Cultural Center, Mumbai. Mangala Charan Ratnam organized by Tulsi Academy Bhopal. Alauddin Khan Samaro Meher. Sadhana Mahotsav Indore organized by SSCZ Nagpur. Pratibha Utsav Ujjain organized by North Central Cultural Zone Allahabad. Nana Sahib Panse Smriti Sangeet Samaro Bakayan. Hemangi prefers to look inwards and in her quest of reaching the true source of bliss, re-inviting the meaning of word Kalakar, Dejo Akar Kalko, one who creates the shape of tomorrow. She thus possesses self-confidence and energetic celebration, which in union with the constant understanding of principles of Indian classical music leads to Satyam Shivam Sundaram.
Ra